Every AI SaaS founder and agency owner can build a website now, but nobody knows how to build a trackable, investor-ready website that actually helps you raise money. I spent 3 hours building one and sent it to 1,000 startups in the US. And here's what I built. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you how I built a $10,000 website in 3 hours with investor-grade analytics, not theory, execution. Hi, I'm Chris, the founder of Execution Squad. My role is to bring serious AI builders into our squad so they can start building a business that gets real clients and real revenue. Website building, no matter what tool, Webflow, Framer, whatever. I know this sounds boring. Everyone's chasing new AI video tools, shiny agent frameworks, complex automation stacks. But here's the truth. This boring skill made me $600,000 in revenue, not from fancy AI projects, from building websites that helps founders raise money. Look at these AI startups launching every day. Most have terrible landing pages, no clear metrics, zero conversion tracking, nothing an investor wants to see. Everyone can build a website now, but can you build one that actually gets funded? That's what I'm going to show you, not a portfolio piece, a fundable website. I picked this startup, Cracked AI. Let me show you how to turn this into $10,000 of value in 3 hours. Right, here's what I'm testing. AI startups will pay me $29.99 for an investor-ready website in 3 hours. Why does this work? These startups are raising money right now. Pre-seed, seed rounds, $500,000 to $2 million. Investor ask, show me your metrics. Most founders have nothing, no tracking, no data, just a pretty site. So I'm not selling a website, I'm selling what gets them funded. Custom site with full analytics, investor dashboard, conversion tracking, everything they need to show venture capitals real numbers. Normally, that's $10,000 from an agency and takes 3 weeks. I do it in 3 hours for $29.99. They pay this money to unlock a $500,000 round. Easy decision. And this might be stupid. Maybe no one buys, but I will know in 1 day after sending to 1,000 startups. Real yes or real no. Let me show you how to build it. First, find a startup with potential but a bad site. Here's the process. Step 1, go to Product Hunt AI category. Step 2, filter by launched in the last 30 days. Step 3, look for pre-seed or seed stage companies. No analytics, unclear value proof. Alright, I'm going to pick this one, Cracked AI. So what do? 100% agentic distribution. Take your winning ads and publish at massive scale. Now, what's wrong with their site? First, the headline, 100% agentic distribution. What does that even mean? Nobody knows. It's pure jargon. Second, their metrics section shows 0. Videos per day, posts per month. Where is the result? Where is metrics? Third, no tracking, no Google Analytics, no conversion tracking, nothing. They're flying blind. Fourth, no real social proof. They were number 2 product of the day on Product Hunt. That's huge, but they don't mention it anywhere on the site. Generic template, no conversion tracking, no investor metrics, value proof is completely unclear. This is our target. Strong copywriting is everything. I use the Hormozi value acquisition framework for this. His formula: value equals dream outcome times perceived likelihood divided by time delay times effort. I would use this exact framework to write copy for landing pages that generate 8 figures in revenue across multiple clients. And if you want to copy this proven 8-figure website prompt, check my pinned comment below. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to paste in my master prompt that structures everything using Hormozi's framework. This prompt took me 2 years and $600 in revenue to perfect. Now I fill in the detail for these startups. Cracked AI, AI SaaS, pre-seed founders, investor-ready website in 3 hours. Price, $29.99. And in about 30 seconds, it generates the copy. Now I spent about 20 minutes editing this to match their specific situation. And we are done strong copy in 30 minutes. Cost $0. If you want this exact prompt, check the pinned comment below. Now we structure it. Process is simple. Step 1, paste the copy we just wrote into Reloom AI. Step 2, generate the sitemap. Takes about 10 seconds. Step 3, choose high conversion layout. Step 4, style guide. I'm going to match their brand color. Pull this from their current site. Typography, inter for body, gist for headlines, professional and clean. Done. This took 45 minutes. Cost $0. Now we build it. Export the Reloom and import the Webflow. This takes about 30 seconds. and customize the sections. And traction section, I'm adding real numbers or placeholder data. And mobile optimization and CTA tracking. Every button on this page is tracked. Demo buttons, form submissions, all of it. Done. This took 16 minutes. Cost $0. This is where it becomes investor ready. Step 1. Set up GA4. I'm installing the tracking code into Webflow. Now I'm configuring conversions, demo button clicks, form submissions, scroll depth 25% or more. Time on page 30 seconds. Step 2. Create an investor dashboard. I'm using Looker Studio. It's free. I'm adding these metrics: daily active users, conversion rate, visitor to demo, traffic source, user engagement score, and optionally add Hotjar, hit maps, and session recording, so you can see what investors and customers are looking for. Why this matters: when a founder pitches investor, they can say, here's our website metrics dashboard, 4.2% conversion rate, 2 minutes 31 seconds average time on page, 2,000 visitors last month. Investors love data. This took 30 minutes, cost $0. Now we need to target Clay workflow. Step 1. Find companies. I'm using the Crunchbase API as my source. Filtered location, United States, industry, AI, and SaaS. Funding stage, pre-seed, seed, Series A. Founded in the last 2 years. Step 2. Enrich the data. Company name, already have it. Founder name, I'm pulling this from LinkedIn. Email, I'm using a waterfall, Hotjar and Clearbit, then manual. Website URL, already have it, and export 1,000 links. This took 2 hours, mostly waiting for the APIs to run. Cost $50 in Clay credit. Now we execute. Step 1. Upload 1,000 leads from Clay. Step 2. Create the email sequence. 3 email total, like this and like this. Step 3. Set sending limits. 50 emails per day per inbox. I'm using 20 inboxes, so that's 1,000 emails per day. Sending time 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. US time zones. Step 4. Track everything. Opens, replies, interested, book the calls, or track it automatically. This took 15 minutes to set up. The campaign runs automatically. Costs $97 per month for instantly. And that's it. 1,000 emails sent in 15 minutes. Right, here's where we make the decision. So full transparency. I just started this today, but let me show you my predictable scenario based on what I've seen work before. Let's be conservative first. After 7 days, I sent 1,000 emails. 250 people open it. That's about 25% open rate, which is pretty standard for B2B SaaS cold email. Out of those, 30 people replies. That's the 3% reply rate, and 10 of them are actually interested. That's 1% for book course. And let's say one person buys at $29.99. So I made $3,000 in revenue. It took me 6 hours total to build the site and set everything up. Cost $174. That's the $50 for Clay and $97 for instantly. So profit is $28.52. Now here's the math that matters. That's a 0.1% close rate. 1 sales per 1,000 emails. Not amazing, but it works. Now what if I scale this? Let's say over 30 days, I send 50,000 emails interested. That's 1,000 per week. 5 weeks, 5 sales at 3,000 each. That's $15,000 in revenue. So if this works, here's what I do. Build 2 portfolio sites per month in different niche. 1 for AI startups, 1 for fintech whatever. Target 5,000 startups per month across the US. Hire a virtual assistant to manage replies and book calls for me. That's about $400 a month. Projected revenue, $15,000 per month. That's the bet. I will know in 7 days if this actually works. Results will be in the comments, check back. While you're watching this, someone just sent their first 1,000 emails. Someone just built their first investor-ready site. Someone just got their first $3,000 client. You can keep watching me succeed or fail. Or you can start your own experiment. One of us is going to accidentally make money. Access my client engine on pinned comment. Inside you will get all workflow templates. Subscribe if you want execution, not theory. Let's go.